back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to take apart a PlayStation controller. So let's get started. Apart a PlayStation controller. So there's 4 screws on the back that we're going to obviously unscrew. Whoops. So you're going to get a small flathead screwdriver. Does that have the light in it? Whoa, that's too bright. There we go. And then you're just going to like wedge it open. Oops, sorry. Here we go. Oops. Okay. So then you have to take it apart, and then you're going to lift this part up. You're going to want to be careful with this ribbon cable because it'll break, but you're going to take it out. You're going to take it apart. Now it's in 2 pieces. And first, I'll do the easy part. What you're going to do is you're going to take this little white plastic piece off. And then you're going to take this piece off. Then you're going to take this plastic piece out. Then you're going to unscrew this little screw right there. Okay, and then you're going to take it out. Then, there you go. That's where your charger port is. That's your charger port. So, you have that. So if you want to paint it, this is how you take it apart to paint it. So that you don't paint anything on the inside because it might stick. So you're just going to paint the outside. Now, this part. So the battery is right here, and there's a screw in the middle. But first you're going to take this little gray disc thing off. But don't pull too hard, you might break the stuff. There you go. So this is the motherboard of the now you're going to unscrew this little screw in there. That should... Okay, so the thing is that these little buttons here are the optional show buttons come out. We're going to unplug first when I show you how to do actually the LEDs are and they're really taking it out. This is your controller. So this is that little button that you press in the middle. So then you take, if you're going to pay guys see this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want a part 2, make sure this video a big thumbs up and comment down below part 2. So if you guys like this, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you have a big thumbs up. Make sure to smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon next subscribe button to get notified when I post my videos. Make sure to stay positive, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.